Do you often feel depressed? Do you often feel that you are the most unfortunate person on this planet or this world? Do you often feel that all the problems come and hit you? If yes, then today, friends, I am going to help you with something. Hi, friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeocare Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. So today's topic for discussion is to feel depressed, to feel not okay. But you know what? It's okay to be not okay. So let's evaluate the most common reason for feeling depressed or sad nowadays. So imagine you have given some exams, you have scored really bad in that, and one friend of yours who has really scored well visits you, talks to you, have an hour of conversation and leaves away. Now tell me, what are you really depressed about? She being successful or you being a failure? I can bet more than 90% people will say she being successful. We often come across people who feel that it is okay to be a failure if everybody else failed. But you should be successful only if your friends are more successful. I don't understand this logic. So are you running your life depending on everybody else's preferences and everybody else's life? That is what people do nowadays on social media. People post their good vacations pictures with husband or happy family pictures, and other people here are feeling depressed because of all this. They keep cribbing, oh my god, she's so lucky and I'm not. Have you ever seen anybody posting their fight pictures or crying pictures? Does that mean they never cry or they never fight? Are we all not aware that there is always a harmony and disharmony in any relationship or in anything what we go through? A life can't be a complete circle. It has to be up and down, right? But after knowing this fact, we still feel depressed seeing others happy. I'll give you a simple example. So there were two childs, one staying in a bungalow and one staying in a chawl. So this chawl child used to always play with his friends with their tires, and this bungalow person used to come in his gallery in the evening and he used to watch that child. And what he used to think, oh, he's so lucky, he has friends, he can play freely. Feeling sad? Yeah. And the other person from there, the chawl person, used to come to his not balcony obviously, the footpath, and used to see at the bungalow and always say, oh my god, that person is so lucky, he gets all the servant, he has so many toys to play with. This way both of them are not satisfied with their life. They just keep comparing with each other, competing with each other. It wouldn't have been relaxed for you if you were not running in a race. It wouldn't have been fine for you to feel not good for a day or so. What are we really running for? We don't even know about it. What is the real reason of feeling depressed is others' happiness. Where is this world going? If you really want to find happiness, find it in yourself, find in a sense of humor. Keep yourself light. Keep going. Nothing can hit you harder than you yourself can. It is the mind which generates a negative thought which makes you feel that you are the problem. Solution to every problem. And try and do that. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details anytime. Stay tuned to my channel. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.